Welcome to Feather Flag Nation. Today we will go over how to use your heavy-duty fillable base. Lay out all the parts before getting started. You'll notice the poles have one smooth side, while the other side has dimples. The weighted base has a small cover where you can add water or sand for stability. On the opposite side, there's a cylinder slot where this piece is stored securely within the base when not in use. Begin with the thickest pole, making sure the dimpled end is facing down toward the base while the smooth end faces up. As you attach the next pole, keep the dimples facing downward. Continue this process for the remaining pole sections. When reaching the curved top piece, check that the black stopper end is on the very outside. This helps prevent the flag from tearing. Now, slide the flag onto the assembled poles. If using pre-curved poles, a tie-down clip isn't necessary since the shape is already maintained. Next, unscrew the ring on the base's cylinder slot. Insert the assembled flag poles into the cylinder, then tighten the ring securely. That's it. Your flag is now set up and ready for display.